Today, I'm going to walk you through how to install Cloudflare WARP on Windows. By the end of this video, you'll have WARP up and running. And all your internet traffic will be encrypted and securely filtered through Cloudflare's network for improved privacy and connection reliability. Let's jump right in so you can start protecting your internet connection in just a few simple steps. First, we need to download the official installer for Cloudflare WARP. To do this, open your browser and head over to the official Cloudflare WARP download page. If you'd like, you can also visit the Cloudflare One Stable Releases section. It's the same trusted source. So either way, you'll be getting the latest, safest version. Look for the download meant for Windows, which is usually pretty easy to spot. The file you'll be downloading is an MSI installer, and you can expect it to be around 135 megabytes in size. It's a reasonably small file, so unless your internet's moving at super snail speed today, it should only take a minute or two. When the download finishes, it's time to start the installation. Now, if you're not sure where your browser saves files, you can double-check in the Downloads folder on your computer. The file name might look something like Cloudflare WARP Release X64, MSI. Go ahead and double-click that file. This action will launch the Setup wizard. A small window will pop up to guide you through the installation process. Now, sometimes when you install new apps, Windows will show a security prompt called User Account Control, asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is completely normal, it's just Windows checking in with you. Click Yes to continue. In the Setup wizard, click Next. And then Install. Sit back for a moment. The installation should only take a few seconds. But don't be concerned if it hangs for a moment or two. It's just copying files and setting things up behind the scenes. When it's all done, hit Finish. You might see the WARP application spring to life on your screen. And you'll also notice its icon showing up in your system tray. That's the area near your clock at the very bottom right corner of your screen. With WARP installed, it's now time to set things up and get connected. Look for the little Cloudflare logo in your taskbar. It looks a bit like a cloud with a swoosh under it. Click on it to bring up the app. You'll see a welcome screen introducing you to WARP. Just click Next to proceed. The next page covers Cloudflare's privacy policy. Take a moment to scan through it if you'd like. And then go ahead and select Accept. Now you'll see the main switch on the application, which is a big, obvious toggle. When you're ready, flip that toggle to Connected. You'll see the status update right away. What this means is, from this moment forward, all the data your computer sends or receives is encrypted and securely routed through Cloudflare's global network. You're not just more private online, you're also protected against certain types of threats and internet slowdowns. If you do a lot of browsing on public Wi-Fi, for example, this can be a real lifesaver. And that's everything you need to do to install and activate Cloudflare WARP on Windows. If you had any hiccups along the way, don't stress, just rewind or ask your question in the comments. And I'll do my best to help out. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know how it went down below. And consider subscribing for more step-by-step tech guides like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy your faster, more secure internet.